Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm Brooke and I make lifestyle videos. So today's video, as you saw in the title, is going to be the first of the Christmas season. I'm going to be showing you guys all of the new Christmas decor additions I am adding this year. If you didn't see my video last year, I will add a card up here. I do go a little wild with Christmas and I already had a lot of Christmas decor, but you can never have too much, right? So I'm excited to show you guys everything new I got. And then I'm also going to be bringing you guys along on a Christmas craft day with my mother-in-law and sister-in-law. We are getting started a little early this year because we want to make sure there's enough time to do all the Christmas things we want. So this is going to be a very festive Christmas season and I will bring you guys along, I promise. Before we get into it, if you haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up and let's get started. So here is a quick overview of all of the new items I got and I'm adding to my Christmas decor collection. So first off, kind of random, I got these little antlers and nose for my car. I got these little snowflake earrings, and this is from Kohl's and this is from Kohl's. From Amazon, I got these little smart sockets. This was $25 for a pack of 4. They work with Amazon Alexa, so we're gonna attach our Christmas lights with this, so that they're just kind of voice activated. For my candy bowl, I got these 2 chocolates and I'm gonna be switching out everything in there for this. On Amazon, I got Oak Corn Tree. I got this one also 2020 and everything in it's like hand sanitizer, masks, things like that. And then I got a mask ornament because, you know, 2020. Then from Kohl's, I got this cute little Santa outfit on a hanger and I thought that was so cute. And then I also got these little letter ornaments, also says 2020. And I just got one for each of us, so Brooke, Darren, Hunter, Sadie. So really like those. And then I finally convinced Darren that we need to do holiday bedding. And this I got from Kohl's. It was, it says $69.99, but I'm pretty sure it was on sale for like $45, and then I had the 20% off. So I paid somewhere around like 38 bucks for this. So I was really happy with that. So these sheets are for the guest bed, and then we got all red duvet cover. So this is a duvet under here, and then it comes with little shams for the pillows. So we're gonna have all red bedding. And these were just from Amazon. I want to say that it was like $32, maybe $35 for the queen set, and for the California king, I want to say it was somewhere around like $42 to $45. So those were not too bad either. And then originally, because we always have all white bedding, I have a giant like Calvin Klein fuzzy red blanket from last year that I had, and we put that at the foot of our bed so it kind of looked like a reverse Santa hat. And so the beginning of the season, I found a second one. So I bought it and I was like, perfect. Now we'll have the all white bedding in both bedrooms, and then we'll have the red at the bottom. But then when I convinced Darren to switch the bedding to red, now we needed white. So I found these 2 really soft white ones. They are Better Home and Garden, and I actually found these at Walmart, and I got king size for like $23 versus queen size of this one was $24.99, but I couldn't find white ones of it, so that's super awesome. Really happy with that find. So these are from Macy's. I've discovered that I am now into Nutcracker, so we're gonna put this one on the bar cart because like it's a little wine one. Let's make poor decisions. How cute is that? And he's holding a little wine bottle. He's got his little wine grapes. So yeah, Darren picked that one out for our little wine area, and then I just really loved this one. Again, this one was also Macy's. And how much was it? It says it was $56, but I want to say it was on sale, and then we got it during the friends and family, so we got another 30% off. So I think we got each one of these for like 25 bucks or something. But yeah, we loved that. And then also for Macy's, we got this. Darren picked this out. It's a little like hot pad. And then from Kohl's, look how cute these towels are. Mrs. Claus and Mr. Claus. How cute is that? Absolutely love these. And then I also found these little monogram towels, and they had 2 more of D. So I was like, yes, please. And then they also came with these kind of plaid ones, but I got it for the D because they look custom, do they not? So exciting. These ones were $14.99, but they were on sale for, I want to say $10.99, and I also had a 20% off coupon. So I didn't pay much for these, but I absolutely love them. Also from Kohl's, These red knitted bath rugs. Absolutely love them. I got 2 of them for our guest bathroom. They were $29.99. I want to say they were on sale for like $19.99 or like 25 bucks, and then I again had a 20% off, so I did not pay that for these. And there's the second one. Then from Nordstrom, I just went to Nordstrom to return some gifts yesterday that didn't end up fitting, and I found this Jingle All the Way. It's for a little wine bottle. Last year I got one that's like a little Santa outfit, so now we have this one to go with it. I super like that. It was $8. So I got 2 off Amazon. They are size large. It is a little red scarf for the pups. And then also has this little Santa hat that straps onto their chin. And it's a stuffed Santa hat, so it'll stand up. So I thought that was super cute. So I got 2 sets, one for each pup. And then also off Amazon, I got these little bandanas, Merry Christmas. And there are 2 of them. I got, I believe, size either large or extra large. And I'm really excited about these. From TJ Maxx and Marshalls, I got some cute little, again, I'm into the Nutcracker, but I got these cute little toys for the pups. Those ones are gifts for other dogs. Oh, here are the Christmas ones. This one, I'm not sharing. This one, reindeer beer. Little gingerbread men. Oh, this one's my favorite. It's a pole rope, but look, they're Christmas lights. Like, what? How cute is that? I can't even handle it. I can't even handle it. And then, oh, there's one more. Oh, I forgot about these. I bought these like 2 weeks ago. Hot cocoa, and it has little marshmallows. Oh my gosh, stop. Too cute, too cute. Okay, moving on over here. These are also from Kohl's. They are just candlestick holders. How much were they? According to this, they were $29.99, but again, they were on sale. All their Christmas stuff is. And again, I had that 20% off coupon. It was 20% off my entire purchase. So I got all of these. So I got 2 of the tall ones, and then this is the small one. There's the other tall one. So a little set of 3. And I'm really excited about those. We're gonna put these on the Nook table because we already have some bigger ones for the kitchen table. Also for our bedding, I got these at TJ Maxx. Look how beautiful this is, and little embroidery. This was $16.99, and I also loved this one. It has this little like hand beaded detail here, and this one was also $16.99. So I absolutely love these. Unfortunately, I was only able to find one. I've checked another Home Goods Sense. I couldn't find it. It's not online because you can now buy online for those stores. So I'm trying another TJ Maxx later today, and I'm just gonna keep looking at every TJ Maxx and Home Goods until I find their friends. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to return it, and I don't want to do that. But I need a set, you know? Then these little gnomes were actually a gift from my mother-in-law. How cute are these? I absolutely love them. I actually have some like mini ones I bought last year, so big fan. And then, oh, the final thing. Okay. Here is the final item. This is also from Kohl's, and it actually lights up. How cute is that? There's like an on switch back here, so I mean, you don't have to press that, and I'm gonna have to remove that before we hang it, but I love this. It's so cute. It's a giant ornament if you can't tell, but I absolutely love this. So yeah, oh, how much was this? This one was $49.99, but again, it was on sale. I want to say it was on sale for like 35 bucks, and then again, I had that 20% off, so I did not pay that amount. One final thing I wanted to show you guys, I found these at Dollar Tree. Like, are you serious? Look, they pop out into like little baked good boxes, and 2 of them for $1. I was like, what? Are you kidding me? So I got 4 of them, and when I make holiday cookies and give them to like my neighbors and stuff, I thought this would really just make it look so much more professional and cute. I'm so excited about this. All right, so that is all of my new Christmas decor, but you will be able to see everything in like 2 weeks. But I have some big news. I have finally convinced Darren that we need a second Christmas tree. Yes, we're gonna have 2. We are going bigger, we are going better this year, and I am so excited. Next year I'm going for 3. Yes, does it seem over the top? But let me explain my vision here. So we have our front area, which is where we typically put the tree, and then that's where all the presents are. But then we have like a second living room, and then like, it's a different area. And there I feel like one would look really nice, and it's like cozy. That's where like we watch like TV and stuff, and there's just like a perfect spot for it. And then I want a smaller one in our bedroom. Like I'm not talking like 3 full-size trees, okay? But I'm like, obviously the large one in the main room, and then I'm thinking like a medium one, and then in the second living room, and a medium to small in the main bedroom. This is where you walk into the house, and then we have this little front seating area. Right here is where we typically put the tree. So even if the present situation gets out of control, it's not preventing people from walking. This is where I'm thinking tree number 2 goes, because this is where the projector is up there, and this is like where we watch our shows, watch movies, and I'm thinking right here, out of the way, this little table, boot it to the garage, okay? Boot it. We've got another table there, we've got this table. You can enter the area over there and here, but the tree, if we do like a medium tree, I'm thinking it won't even go past where this table is, because see how much space is behind it? So I'm thinking we could fit one here and it would not obstruct anything. All right, we are getting ready to start our first Christmas crafting of the season. Over here, we have some cute little ornaments that we're going to be stuffing. How adorable is that? With these, we are making gigantic lollipops, and this is some cellophane to put over that. We've got some spray adhesive, some spray paint, a ton of different types of like ribbon and string. We have some fake snow. In the abundance, we have tons of stickers, paints. We're making wax molds of cute little Christmas shapes. And then we have tons of other things. We're making some wooden signs that have a little string, so we're decorating those. We're making some garlands with some of these other items. And we have a few other crafts. We're going to be making our own platters. And yeah, we just have all of these crafting supplies, and things are about to get wild in here. I'm so excited. And then they don't know yet, but I bought each of them a cute little ornament. Over there, I know it's hard to find things in here, is the other one. So this is just gonna be a really fun craft day, just me, my mother-in-law, and sister-in-law.
I saw the bat signal on YouTube. Well, from me, I got 4 bat signals. That was all that was left. I went to 5. We're excited about this.
Opening their little something to kick off the holiday spirit.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Aren't those cute?
And you were just talking about Disneyland.
Look.
I love it so much.
They're a little 2020
that?
mini Mickey Mouse.
I'm so in.
Isn't that so cute?
I'm in all the way.
I love.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're melting some wax in here, some candles, and then we're gonna be pouring the wax in here and make those little melting things.
So fun.
Oh, what did you do? I don't know. That's weird. I usually use just a 30-second. I don't know how to use any actual functions. If you do.
We discovered. Look at this.
Oh.
Time cook.
Look. We all
are
matching. Where's Kay?
Ready for the activity.
Oh, look
Girl
at Here, let's go stove real quick and then we'll make it a picture after. Hold it. All right, we started pouring the wax in.
The boomerang.
Now the rest.
We should have done a boomerang in our jammy, Brooke.
So we poured the candles in here. Oh my gosh, wow, this is actually a little tricky. Oh,
Yeah, it's like not as easy as it looks, isn't it? I mean, are you ever seeing anything?
I don't know if it's not as easy as it looks or I'm not as talented as I look.
You should have said that because I would have looked.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains in reply.
All right, so we're trying to make the lollipops and
Didn't even go through.
you didn't even cut all the way through. All right, so I'm trying to have Kaylee do it because the ones that I tried are like super rough looking. Over here, Our wax is turning out fantastic. Look how cute that is. These little ornament things are going pretty good where the done ones. They're going to say Mary. So we're painting over these with a stencil and white paint. And here's what we have so far. It's going to be garland. Oh, that's so cute. Let's see what's going on over here. You weren't even following the lines. You're just going rogue out here.
Pollyanna over there.
Not even mad though, because mine are all that bag of chips. You know, I'm thinking maybe we should go back to the paper plates glued together. That might be the better idea. Over here we have the pups' duck jerky, which they are really enjoying. Here you go, honeys.
2. Oh, sorry.
And then we've been starting to make our own ornaments.
Yours was much better.
So we've been stuffing them. Look how cute these are. And here's some Winter Wonderland ones. Kaylee's hot cocoa sign came out so cute. Like, are you serious? Mine is not entirely centered at all. But it came out pretty cute.
Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis.
So the lollipops are a bust. These are all uber hideous. So now we're watching some Nazi conspiracy stuff. That's what we're into these days.
The signs are super cute.
These are really where it's at. This is where our talent came through.
I think the
And
melts
then-
are pretty cute too.
Oh yeah. These little wax melts. We're just tidying up here. We're gonna have to make the lollipops at a later time with something better than this because it really is just not working. So I'm packing up all of the supplies. We have tons of extra snow, extra foolery, and random things. I have a ton of paint, so we're just kind of packing things up right now, seeing what's left, but I think we're going to need another crafting night. All right, the little Mary garland is so cute. That is all the updates for now. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe below and give this video a big thumbs up. This is going to be a fun holiday journey and you won't want to miss it. Thanks guys, and I will see you in my next video.
Talk to me, baby.